Alright, so now we have the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, which came out fairly recently. Now I used a few stabilizers in the past. I thought this would be good to review. So thanks for watching out. It'll be good to unbox it, see what's inside of it. Has a lot of features, as you can see, 3-axis stabilization, quick launch. It's portable, it active tracks, but you need to use the DJI app for that. Tutorials and the extension rod. So this was one of the main reasons I wanted this one, is because it's not just a gimbal, but it extends, so you can actually go higher, essentially a selfie stick and a gimbal all in one. And one thing I like about it is the magnet, which is really cool as well, so it can be a little bit more portable. So inside we have a QR code and some pictures of telling you how to utilize it. Now there's the actual product itself. Let's see what's inside this neat little package. Ooh, there is a carry. Oh, that's really cool. A little carry case. I like that. That's nice. That's neat. Then, oh, it's got that smell, you know, that new tech smell. Light cut app, video editing app. Very nice. And some DJI merch. Quick start guide. I don't think I need a quick start guide, but should you want it, it is there. Oh, the guide has fallen out. So that's the quick start guide. It tells you how to do it, how to utilize it. Oh, that's actually helpful. It tells you which option is which. So the directions, camera, and so on. What else is in here? Oh, here is the cable. USB-C cable to charge it. And there is something else in here. Nope, that's just cardboard. So that's that little part for the documents here. So this is where your phone will go in. You'll go in there, and then that magnetically attaches to the gimbal, which is so cool because it just makes it more portable. Here it is itself. Actually, before I get to that, here is a little stand, which I also like too, so you can allow the gimbal to just sit there if you were to do it like that. Then the gimbal will sit on top and you have a tripod. Oh yeah, you can do the different sizes. So very cool. I don't need it at the moment, so I'll put it back in. Thank you for the tripod. Then the actual product itself. One of my favorite parts is how portable it is, because I've had pretty chunky gimbals in the past. But this one, look at that. That is so, geez, that's so small. I love it. And that's the actual product itself. And then it just folds. So if you were to bring it out, whoa, it's automatic. It just turned on straight away. And then your phone will go here. That's really cool. Makes it so portable. So if you were to change the modes, as you can see, this allows you to adjust it, record. This also changes your mode. That spins around, and I think that's zoom. I'm not too sure though, but that's pretty much it. So if I were to go like this, and yeah, we are ready to rock. That's the unboxing, and then your trigger on the back. So I hold it down. Yep, you hold down the M and it turns off. And there's your USB charging port, and you can then take this magnet off. And then, how do we fold it again? There we go. And that's it. It's so portable. Look at that. It's just the palm of your hand. You can just easy to carry with you wherever you're going. So that is the quick little unboxing. I thought if you just wanted a quick run through of what it is, there are plenty of reviews that go through how this compares to others. Based on my understanding of it, is probably one of the best out there, and I got this off Amazon, so I'll leave a link below if you did want to go and grab it. I think it's one of the best ones out there compared to the other ones that I've used. And yeah, feel free to use the link to grab it. Yeah, this is stretches as well, but to have this magnet, this can just stay on your phone, and you know, if you're going out for the day, you can just take it off the gimbal easily, magnet on off. And then actually I didn't show you the telescopic mode. So here you go, you just pull it out, and yeah, that's pretty decent. That's at least 25 centimeters. Look at that. I'll leave that there. So then you can just let it sit there if you want to do it a longer shot. So there is the other part of it that I really like. That is the unboxing. If you want a proper review, I'm more than happy to do it. Just leave a drop a comment below, and I will be more than happy to provide more details and my thoughts on it. But I thought it's been covered so much already, I just put a quick unboxing, and yeah, and hopefully this helps. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tech reviews, and we'll take it from there.